Hello YouTubers, my name is Victoria and I live in Sweden. If you have clicked this video, you are probably interested in the Louis Vuitton Neverfull Summer Trunks edition, and that is what's in this bag. I just received it in the mail today and I have not looked at it yet, so I'm pretty excited. I ordered mine from Vuitton Collective. And it took about 2 weeks to get it to my house, and it is new, never used. It's missing the pouch. I think that the seller probably sold the pouch separately to receive more money for the pair of them. I have not so much use for the pouch, so it's fine by me. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Here's the card that Vuitton Collective always fills in, and they assure that it's not a fake bag and that it is in very good condition. Okay, here's the dust bag. Ooh. And here's the bag. Maybe I should have looked at it before I started making this video, because now it's gonna be hard to film at the same time. Oh, it's lovely. And I guess that I'm so sorry. This is my first YouTube video, so I don't really know how to hold the camera. But here's the receipt, and it's a copy of the receipt. I really don't know why she did this, but I guess it's because she bought more items. I'm pretty sure that this is not a fake, because Vuitton Collective would not have sent it to me if it was a fake. So it's a trustworthy company. Okay, let's look a bit more at the bag. I'm just going to try to pull it out here. Just a second. There. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. And here is the inside of the bag. It's a very nice print here. It says Louis Vuitton, and all the details that's on the other Neverfull bags are in this bag too. The little hook there, you can attach the pouch. Yes, I love it. One thing that I saw on the pictures of the bag that I didn't like is this, that it's not correctly lined up here. And I think that kind of looks like it's a fake or something when you have not paid attention to that. But I started to look at pictures, and it seemed to me that almost all bags look like this. This is also something that I'm a bit, what's this? I've never had a Neverfull bag, so I don't know if they all look like that. It's a bit suspicious, actually. And let's look at the other side. Yes, it's the same. And also in the bottom of the bag, you can see that it's not exactly lined up. I really don't like that. But as I said before, I'm not questioning if this is a real bag or not, because I know it's a real bag. But I think that maybe Louis Vuitton would, if you pay this much for a bag, I expect it to be perfect. But what to do? I like it. I hope you find this video a bit helpful. And good luck finding your own neverfull summer trunks.